cr250 Project Red Rocket. But we got a couple new things to get into before we start working on this thing. Went out, picked up GoPro Hero 5 Black. cr250 hooked it up. Then if we move down, we got a new stand for this. Just be able to work on it in the garage. And then probably the most exciting new stuff we got, Hunter moves over here, is we got a whole new frame for this bike. Ended up getting the hookup on it. Got a full frame, came with triple clamps, swing arm, and this lovely piece right here, because that subframe is just tweaked so bad, and this one's pretty straight. It's tweaked a tiny bit, but it shouldn't be that noticeable. So today we're going to switch the subframe out and whatnot. What else are we going to get into, Hunter?
We're going to put the new chain on.
We're going to put the new chain on this bike. And maybe if we start feel up to it, we'll clean this stuff up a little bit. Don't really know what we're going to do with this yet. Guess we'll figure it out when the time comes. Alright, so going through here. Jesus, big! Apparently dropping stuff, but taking out these seat bolts, removing the seat, and let's see. I'm gonna pop off these number plates, pop off this rear fender, take this junk subframe off, throw in the new freshie, throw all this crap back on freshie with that. Alright, so got the seat off, getting the second fender bolt out. Then we're going through here. We have to pop off the air box. Yeah, we gotta pop off the air box, take off the subframe, throw the air box on the new subframe, and hook the exhaust back up and whatnot. So we got a little bit of work ahead of us on this tonight, but not too bad.
It's almost like we're undoing everything we did last time.
Pretty much, yeah. Yeah, we're just taking apart what we did last time. I didn't expect on getting that for a subframe so soon. I thought I had a little longer.
Yeah, honestly, I don't think you're ever going to get it.
Dude, got the hookup. Got the hookup.
Well, you almost didn't get it.
I almost didn't get that subframe. So, where I got that whole frame from, I told the person I wanted it, and I was like, I want the frame, and I'm thinking in my head, frame's everything on there. So I go yesterday, and I was like, hey, where's the subframe? And the dude was like, we threw it in the scrap metal box bin, whatever. Like, I was almost heartbroken because these things are stupid expensive to buy right now. And then just talking to the guy, and he's like, all right, hang on, give me one sec. Comes back, and out of pure luck, since it was a holiday weekend, they didn't come pick up the scrap metal, and that thing was buried in the scrap metal box. So by pure luck, I was able to still pick that up. So pretty awesome, but yeah. Gotta take all this stuff off we did last time.
I'm surprised he actually went in after it. Surprised he went in after it.
Yeah, I don't know what the scrap metal box looked like, but he said it was pretty buried.
Yeah, I'm surprised he even went and looked.
Yeah. Hey, he's a swell guy, right?
Hell yeah.
Hook me up.
Alright, we're going to try and bend this top mount back on this exhaust. It was super bent. I just tested it out. I made it a little better, but as you can see, it's still super crooked. So we're going to heat it up, throw it on the vise, and see if we can't make it look any better.
Think you got her?
Yeah, it's pretty straight.
Yeah,
I did not think that was gonna work.
yeah, I didn't think it would work as well as it did.
I didn't think it would work at all. Yeah, it's not too bad. It's definitely a little off, but now it's not sideways.
Yeah. Sweet. Good looks, my guy.
Everything's hot.
Good looks.
Hell yeah.
Alright, so I just got the subframe off, took the air box out of it, and I just laid it down side by side to the new one that we got, and it's just hilarious. Look how bent that other one is. Should we try to bend this black one back? Just for fun?
I don't even know if it's worth it, honestly.
What are you doing over there?
Trying to clean this thing up.
You getting water in her, dog?
Only a little.
Dude, that's what I got a butt plug for. That's why I bought you one. Alright, whatever. But I just thought it's hilarious on how much that's been tweaked compared to this one that's pretty straight on. So that should get rid of the problem we had with the fender being like over here on the bike. So we'll turn this back on once we throw subframe with the airbox on and all the good stuff on it.
Alright, we got the new subframe on. We got it all bolted back on. Now we're going to work on putting the side panels back on and the fender. And we should be good to move forward after that. We'll get our exhaust hooked back up. This one is so much more straight than our other one, if you remember. I'll grab it.
Yeah.
It's so bent. I don't know if you can tell, but super bent.
Yeah, that thing was just tweaked.
Yeah, this one's a lot.
Wait, put it back like that. Yeah, you can see there's the bend in it. Yeah, that's ridiculous. This one's so much better.
Yeah, we think it
Nice.
might be slightly bent, but you can't notice it. You won't
Yeah.
notice it when the fender's on.
Yep. So, I'm gonna throw all this junk back up on here and get her on her way. Alright, so we just got done throwing everything back on this boy. It looks so much better now that the new subframe is on. You can't even tell that this subframe is tweaked, if it even is at any. I mean, this thing's pretty much dead straight right now. So this subframe came in super clutch on this bike. Still don't know what we're gonna do with this yet. I think next video we're gonna throw the chain on this boy. We'll probably clean this up next video. Take it to the car wash, put some degreaser on there, and spray it down there since Hunter's power washer is put away for the winter. What else am I missing, dude?
I think you just about have it, really. I mean, we need to try and get on getting those other parts.
Yeah, the dirt bike front is looking a little low right now. Cause here soon, I'm gonna say within the next month, we're gonna have a new toy to play with here. Found it, gonna get her awesome deal on this toy. So we will put content up with that, and once the powder starts falling up here in Michigan, we'll be out snowboarding quite often. And when we're not doing that, we'll be working on this boy. So definitely have a lot more to come from us, and yeah, I think we pretty much covered everything, right?
Yeah.
All right. Yeah. So I think that'll do it for us this time. Next video we should be using that new GoPro. I decided I want to bring an SD card that was full, then not knowing.
30 seconds on it.
Yeah, we were able to put 30 seconds on it. So next video, be able to throw GoPro clips in here, like a time lapse or whatnot. So hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure to like, subscribe, you know the deal. We'll see you next time.